In today's video I have an unboxing to do. Well, a few. There's 3 boxes that came in today. Some of them are probably going to be made into separate videos. Well, the box just broke. Oh well. But I'm just opening this one relatively quickly somehow. Cut that in there. Okay, so here's one of the first things. It's a house for the layout. And there should be another one in here. Which there is. And there is another item in here as well, which is slightly heavier. All nicely wrapped up. And this is a lifelike Union Pacific f40 locomotive, which I really like. It's something that's very interesting. And I think this also might be an older lifelike as well or something. So I'm going to open it up and check it out. So there's probably going to be another unboxing after this. This was also a 2nd generation lifelike, or 3rd gen lifelike, with a pancake motor. So later on I'm going to go test it, but first there's going to be another item coming that's similar to this locomotive. So we'll be back to unbox that one. Okay, so before the other item related to this comes in that I wanted to make the video with it, since they're really similar, I thought I'd just test this on its own. The people who I bought it from said it was sluggish or didn't run at all. They didn't give details. They were selling a bunch of locomotives like this for cheap, so I bought this one. So let's see if it runs at all. And here's it does. Doesn't seem sluggish at all. And this is only on about 50% power, too. Oh, it almost went off there. Okay, so that's much better than I expected. So with that out of the way, let's go unbox the next one whenever it gets here. Alright, so box number 2 has arrived. So let's open this one up. Alright, I'm deciding to go at this from a different side now. I'm just gonna try tearing the box open. It's being really tricky and difficult to get open. I think I got it open to the point of which I can get this thing out. I'm going to pull the box out of the way. Like that. So, here's the engine in the box. I bought this cheaper than its actual price on the price tag was. Let me pull it out. So here is the Santa Fe lifelike f40. This one actually appears to have its back handrails as well, which it's a nice thing to have. It's actually in really nice condition. There's been a bit of an issue with the front decal, but it's all fine, so let's go over and test it. Okay, so now let's see how well it runs. Seems like it runs pretty well. I also restored the Union Pacific F40 off camera, so let me just show you how well that runs now. So here's the Union Pacific F40. So here's how it runs now. It does have a bit of an improvement. It runs quite a bit quieter, and it runs quite a bit quicker. So thanks for watching.